All right, what's going on, guys? TTorres back here for another video. So in today's video, I owe you guys a review on the YSS suspension that we installed maybe about a month ago, and now I have about, let's say, maybe 100, maybe 150 miles on it. So we're gonna go for a ride today, and I got the GoPro strapped on the helmet, and hopefully the audio is good. We don't get a lot of wind, but yeah, let me show you the shock now. Okay, so as you can see, here is my little GoPro setup, and then here is the actual YSS shock, and I absolutely love this shock compared to the stock one. So if you're stopping to the channel for the first time, what we have done to the bike, we have the Chimera colder intake, Amazon exhaust, and we have DHM motoring tune on it, which I absolutely love. Okay, so with all that being said, let's go ahead and gear up and get on the bike, and we're gonna take a little cruise over to the beach. And yeah, this is one of two rear shocks that I have, and I'm testing this one out to see how I like it, and then I have a Hyper Pro one, and whichever one that I end up liking the most will stay on the bike, and I'll give the other rear shock to one of you guys that are subscribed and like and watch my content. So let's get on the bike. First off, let's get this thing warmed up. Cold. All right, let her warm up and then we're gonna get on the road. All right, guys, welcome to the moto vlog. We just got to Navarre Beach. Hopefully this new GoPro rig I have works out great. It's a beautiful day out here. Hopefully my hood doesn't shut all the way, so hopefully we're not getting a lot of wind noise from that, and if we are, I do apologize for that. All right, so let's get into the main reason why we're here for this video. We are going to be talking about the YSS suspension, and if you're interested in getting the same suspension, I'll have a link down in the description for the older Groms all the way up into the 2022 model, which is the one I ride. And I think it's only like $200 shipped to the house, so it's not very expensive. This car is riding my butt, and I have no idea why. It's only like $35 through here. Anyway, so the factory rear suspension on this bike is super squishy. I mean, I'm bouncing up and down right now, and there's hardly any feedback as far as the way it squishes like up and down, and I absolutely love it. The bike feels more rigid, just daily driving. Like I said, I put this suspension on like 700 and something miles, I think, and I put almost 150 something miles on it, and I absolutely freaking love it. It's a little bit chilly out here today in Florida. It's like 70 degrees. There's a little bit of wind, but other than that, it's a perfect day to be riding. Of course, you can see out there we got people fishing. Some people actually swimming. It is way too cold to be swimming. But if you're, I'd say like if you're a bigger guy like me, this suspension is, for, I think it's like 180 plus pound rider, and I'm like, I teeter-totter between like 202 and 205, so, and it feels absolutely great. I rode on the stock suspension for, I don't know, 700 miles or so, and I just didn't like how squishy it was, like going over speed bumps and etc., and just daily riding, it was just, I don't know, to me it was like obnoxious. It was very obnoxious. So I'm gonna tell you right now, this is definitely worth the investment to get this rear shock. And like I said, I have another Hyper Pro, which is a little bit more of an expensive rear suspension. I'm gonna give that one a try as well, and put a couple hundred miles on that one, and whichever one, like I said, I don't like, I'm going to give away to one of you all. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, because we will be doing a rear shock giveaway. And a good way to follow along to figure out when that's going to happen is if you follow my Instagram. I'll have a link down in the description as well. This is one of my favorite places to come and ride, because it has all these little little turns and stuff, nothing crazy, but see, on my other suspension, I probably wouldn't have leaned as hard because it's just so squishy, man. You almost lose your, I don't know, your confidence in it, but now the bike feels extremely good whenever you're leaning, cornering, etc., stuff like that. Hopefully my exhaust isn't like extremely loud over the me talking. But yeah, this is definitely worth the little measly $200. And I recommend, I got these bar end mirrors too. I wanted to get rid of the little, I called them like antennas, to where the factory mirrors were. Absolutely hated those. See, there's a bump right there, almost little to no bounce. If I would have had the factory suspension, we would have probably bounced all over the freaking place. You know, I didn't buy this bike to go 100 plus miles an hour. I literally bought this just to cruise around here and around the beach. This is the perfect beach cruising bike. But the next thing I'm going to be doing to the bike is I'm going to be getting the DHM cam. I cannot wait to get a cam on this bike and really open this thing up. I like to usually stop here, take in the view, and I'm going to take in the view real quick, and then I'll catch back up with you guys here in just a second. All right, so here's a good look at the suspension in the sun. Like I said, it's non-adjustable. It comes preloaded and everything, and if you try to mess with that screw, you'll definitely screw everything up. But it's definitely well worth it, even if for you smaller, not really 180 plus pound riders. I still think this would be a great, huge improvement over the factory suspension. So I like to come out here and just reflect. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns about it, put them down below. And what other kind of riding content would you like to see? I got some TST just came out with some frame sliders. I'm gonna get that. I've already got the tail light done, sequential turn signal, high mount, license plate, new bar end mirrors, LED turn signals. I absolutely love this thing. It's so much fun. Let's get back on it, take it for another ride. Forgot how many miles I got. 186 miles, and I get 140 miles to the gallon. So I'm new to this whole motor vlogging thing. I'm usually do car automotive stuff. So what other content would you all like to see when it comes to the Grom? I do have another buddy that has a Grom 2022 as well. He does have a Yosh exhaust on it, and that thing sounds amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna go cruise the back way up into Pensacola, and yeah, I'm gonna go for a ride the rest of the evening. And I just wanted to make a short video. I don't even know how long this video is gonna be actually, but I just wanted to make a little short video about the rear suspension. I had a video on how to install it, which is super simple. It takes less than an hour. I think it took me 30-45 minutes maybe. It's not that hard. But yeah, thank you all so much for stopping to the channel, and I hope you guys are excited for more riding videos, especially when I can ride with my buddy Ben. And he's got a monkey that I'm going to review on the channel too. That monkey is an absolute blast to drive as well. So hope you all are having a good day, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're stopping to the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you follow my Instagram, because I will be giving away one of these rear shocks that whichever one I don't like, one of you lucky subscribers and followers of my Instagram channel is going to be getting that. All you got to do is be subscribed and follow my Instagram. But anyways, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.